Mentakasi thode ka khatnyo terek unaitung ke Election Commission of India kalapenlong ya ka All India Media Conference ha New Delhi na ka benta panwanra ya ka election ka bakhut bat ka bayat bet ya renti. Hagate ka conference lawan benishim benta di kinong patai kubor na baro ki jela jangkari India. Ya kate ka conference lapenlong ha International Institute of Democracy Election Management Hall ha ka balayo ya ka jingpen shai ha ka bayadai bat ka jinge trelang ka bajan ha padeng kinong patai kubor bat ki bor badai pet ya ka election jangki jela bat ki district hapo kari baro kawe.
Mock poll certificate, these things that we have given to you, in that the first page is a mock poll certificate. This mock poll certificate is signed by the presiding officer as well as by all the polling agents that these number of votes were casted in our presence. So they also certify that the mock poll has been. After the mock poll, the machines are properly sealed. We have different kind of seals that are put in the machine in different units. All these seals, the serial number of all the seals are noted here, and even the polling agents have the details of these numbers, and every seal has the signature of all the polling agents. So to verify that this has been done in their presence. Then at the time of the polling, that is for example 7 a.m., the first voter comes, the machine is switched on and the polling starts. The voter comes and
all the data by multiplying it by 25 because each bunch is consisting of 25 votes. After that compilation, he will make the data in the form 20, that is the result sheet, and will be provided to our returning officer. Returning officer is observing all this process and he will cross verify that this data has been correctly recorded. Counting center at each and every corner of the country. Here you can see that this part is being made of the wire mesh. Wire mesh is being used because the polling agent as well as the what inside officials are present or the candidate are present are doing from here to there. Everybody can observe the transparency, and for this purpose we will start the process of the counting. Here you can see the compartment is divided in the two places. One place where all the machines, that is CU, BU, VVPAT are being stacked up directly from the strong room, or here one part is of the sitting portion for the officials as well as the candidate. In the process, we will start the counting in the morning with the counting of the balloting portion where all the ballot papers are being used by the voters. The counting assistant at the balloting unit table will count each casted vote of the ballot paper and will make a bunch of 25 votes.
And these, there are polling agents which are appointed by the candidates. So we have number of polling agents sitting here and verifying. So this is what it is written, concurrent audit by polling agents. So continuously the process is transparent and all the polling agents and the candidates as their polling agents are constantly watching the poll and they are verifying that it is transparent and it is correct. So to begin with, just around 1.5 hours to 2 hours before the poll starts, we have to perform a mock poll. Right? In a mock poll, we just have to cast 50 votes. That is the compulsory instruction of the Election Commission. So all the polling agents are requested to cast the votes. If there are less number of polling agents, like there are 16 candidates in a machine who are there here. So if there are less number of polling agents, then we have to test every button for the machine. So we cast randomly votes, not we, but the polling agents, and if the there are remaining buttons, then we cast that vote in the polling station, and we just have to check all the buttons are correct. After 50 polls, then we match the machine, the result, we check the result from the machine and also from the VVPAT. The slips that come out from the VVPAT, they are tallied. If the candidate number 1 is showing